Step 16. How to make appointment for the installers to complete the job. Once the items have been received, you can schedule an installation appointment directly from the story. Simply click Make Appointment to assign one of your installers to the job. When you create the appointment from the story, you'll be taken directly to the calendar. Here, you'll also find the radius calculator, which helps you locate nearby appointments. For example, if you set the radius to 50 kilometers, BlinQ will scan your scheduled appointments and show you which installers are working nearby. This makes it easier to assign the job to the most suitable installer. Once you've selected an installer and chosen a date, all the job information will already be pre-filled. Since the appointment was created directly from the story, you can simply review the details and click Update to confirm the appointment.